this video, friends, I will show with you how to get Amazon Prime student offer. So friends, if you want to get a Prime, if you are as a student, follow me in this guide. You can save money and you can start your Prime. So guys, all you have to do, go to Google and search for Amazon Prime student offer, this keyword, and then guys click this one option. From this option, guys, this is for click this option, join a Prime for young adults. And then guys, all you have to do, you should be verified as a student, verify as 24 years old. You can upload your preferred verification method, choose this document from here, or upload driver license or passport, and then click join this option, and you make sure add a payment method. After that, friends, you should be, as I say, you can join Prime with this simple method. You add your university here, your first name, such last name, and write your payment method from here. And then guys, you should be add a payment method, as I say, and then click continue. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Click on join here and complete join Prime for young details. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget keep like and share this video for more content.